Hopefully you guys can see this in a second. Middle, like 4 o'clock. Daylight savings today. And in this little patch of woods, there is a buck just walking. I can actually see him already. Look at him. 40 yards from the road. No different than the ape I just shot. Get out of the road. I had a $10 saw I got the other day at Fleet Farm over there, and broke it already, you know, so I went out and I got this bad boy for 25. See how she does. So far so good. I might take it back. I just marked up this area with my scent, so now I'm going to cover it up real quick. By using my stealth dust. Huh? Oh. Alright, so we're out here hiking, scouting like we do. And I've noticed on this ridge that all these animals are taking all these dirt naps. Even right there, there's a bird looking like he's taking a dirt nap. Crazy animals. You know, my dad always told me that bucks are only on the hills. They're only on the hills. That's all he taught me. So here I am, and as a matter of fact, there's a couple buck beds, like buck bed, little buck bed, up on this hill. Wouldn't believe it. What do we got here? Oh my god. She good? Uh-huh.